What's up, my SEO nerds and all the business owners looking to understand how to rank their website? So today's topic we're going to be discussing is, does your website speed really matter, and does it help you rank for SEO? So again, this is unscripted. I'm going to be showing you guys real case studies, live 2025 client sites. Want to make sure that you guys see, hey, what I'm showing you guys is not bullshit. And I always recommend test, 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 test. Test whatever I say. Don't always believe me. Test and make sure it works. But again, this is no bullshit. I'm not trying to sell anything. But if you do want to buy my service, I would love to offer my service. But if you guys have any comments or anything, feel free. You guys need any help optimizing your websites? I'm looking to maybe start a Discord or maybe a school or something, which I can maybe build a community just so that if you guys have any questions, it's a lot easier. But if you want to comment below, you guys can do that. Comment, hey Chris, I need help with this, or just email me. I'll check it and I'll get back to you. But I do this for free. If you guys want, I could guide you. Again, I just want to help the community and see maybe we can build a community of people that are doing SEO. So again, does your website speed really matter? Does it help you rank for SEO? Like Michael Scott says, no, 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 it doesn't freaking matter, right? So why does it matter then? Again, for conversion rate optimization, when you land on a page, you want it to be quick, you want it to load. If your page is too slow, your lead is probably going to jump off, click back, and go to another competitor's page. So that's why it's important. So now I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a page speed, just to test your guys' page speed. You just go to pagespeed.web.dev. This is one of Google's tools. Just type in your site, analyze. You'll see the mobile desktop. It'll tell you why your site is slow, what you need to fix, and just follow this, okay? So I'll be explaining one of the biggest issue I always get with all my sites is large content paint in the beginning, and that's usually because it's Elementor. I use Elementor for all my sites, and probably because I have a background image on one of the containers. So I'm going to show you again. Look, this page is poorly optimized for the speed. These all may be good, but it's poorly optimized, and it still ranks freaking awesome. You can see 10, 6, 1, 1, 1, 8, 13, 20, and you can see it's climbing. So that's what I just want to show you guys. And then I'm gonna recommend these two WordPress plugins that I personally used before, but I'm gonna be showing you guys WordPress Rocket, and this is also another tool recommended by many SEO people, accelerator for WordPress. I'm gonna show you guys all my settings just so you guys can also do it for yours. And then I'm gonna also recommend you guys Imagify, one of the best. I say if you're lazy and don't want to create WebP images to compress your images, then you can use this to do it all. All you have to do is download the plugin, buy it. It's pretty cheap. And just make sure you click all this, click WebP, and then resize, and make this smaller for you guys to see. Make sure you select this, save, and go to bulk save, go to bulk optimizer, and Imagify it all. So that's it. And then we're gonna also go to WordPress. I'm gonna show you guys my setting. These are super easy. Just click up a button. So one thing that you want to do is make sure you have a license, cache, you get caching, caching, whatever you call it. Enable this. Enabled. For this part, there's two ways they recommend you to do this. Click this, and then before you move to all this, they want you to click this, save, check if your site is if the template or anything is moved. If it is, you can just come back, undo it. So for me, I don't really care. Just click, and then sometimes you got to understand if you're doing Google Ads or have Google GTM parameters or anything, make sure sometimes WordPress Rocket will block that JavaScript code. So make sure you enter here. So you gotta just look, see if it blocks it. Just go to Control, Inspect, Console, and it'll tell you if it blocks it or not. But that's pretty much it. After you're done with that, click Save, and then you go to Media, Enable, add this, save changes, and you're pretty much done. You can also do this, but again, they just recommend Imagify, and that's all I do. And then we're gonna be making sure another thing that you want to do is use SiteGround. SiteGround is they have great servers. I use them to host all my sites. It's cheap, paid $20, and I can host up to 50 WordPress site. So this is a really good web hosting to use for your site. You want it quick and fast, I recommend this. And then going back, so we have that. We can go back to here and just make sure you don't have any unnecessary plugins. That unfortunately, let's say I have SiteGround Optimizer. I want to disable that, so I'm just going to go to plugins. Plugins. Install. Just going to disable Speed Optimizer. This is SiteGround. Then I'm going to just clear my cache. cleared unused. It's going to go back to my site to make sure it looks good. Okay, it looks good. And then it says the issue that I'm having with large content page. As you can see here, it's probably the background. So what I can do, this is an easy fix. Edit, Elementor. You go to here, click style, change image resolution to this. It still looks good, publish. And now we're gonna run a page speed insight live just to see how it is. So this is gonna run. I'm gonna click pause when it's done. Sometimes it takes up to 3 to 4 minutes. I don't know why, but if it takes longer than that, then we'll do it. But if not, let me see. Let's hope that we get 100 for all, or at least 90 plus or 80 plus. Oh, see, as you can see already, it jumped really quick. So now we just got to look, large content, okay, background image again, so maybe it's too large, okay, but look at our desktop, 88, so that's really good. So maybe adjust our content again, just got to go back. We can try making it 300, even though it's blurry in the background. I actually like it like this. Default, just make sure. Let's try one more time, or maybe I have another background here, huh? Oh, let's see. Let's run it one more time. Move this, sorry. Oh, it's okay. Speed index. So we gotta look at that. 85. That's good. We just gotta fix mobile. We gotta see. Oh, that's why I forgot. You gotta go here. This is where you actually have to fix it too. Choose image. Let's go to the same image that we're using. I think it was this one right here. Gotta make it small. Default full. Let's do 300. All right, I want it 70-60 just so it's slow, clear, and it's. We could turn off all these animations. They're not needed. Motion effects. Let's do none. Okay, make sure all these doesn't have it. Oh, let me turn off this motion effect. We don't need these. It's good for design purposes, but sometimes it can ruin everything. So we're gonna do none. Make sure all these have no motion effect. None. Okay, make sure, oh, this one does have a motion effect. Make sure it turns on. But these all does affect how your speed is. So let's do publish. Okay, make sure all these are done. None. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, okay. I want to just turn off this. So any motion effect, I usually turn off. You add motion effect and can cause the website to be super. Can cause the website to be slow. Publish. Let's run it one more time. Analyze. Again, if you guys have any question or anything, just leave it in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share with your friends. This will help me a lot. It gives me some motivation to keep doing this. Without any motivation, I'll be honest, you guys, I'm not gonna do these types of videos. Oh, so I'm still having this issue. So I gotta see. Okay. Let me see. Blocking, eliminate WordPress. So there's something blocking it. Avoid DOMs, large painful content. So is okay. Let me change it then. Mobile, as you can see, it's increasing. Large painful content, avoid layout shift. So one of the, oh, okay. So looking at it, something is shifting. So I got to go to here. Fix that. No, background lazy load, background. Okay, so let me go here, fix that. Let's do, if I do this, change over, like I don't really want to see it. Opacity, let's do this. Sure that I'm gonna have to fix the nav. Oh, don't leave. We're gonna make sure this done. Medium. Okay. Let's go to header. Oh, don't leave. We're gonna make sure. Oh, something is misaligned. We'll make sure. Where is it? What is unaligned? Somewhere some has extra padding, so I'll have to see padding. But this is usually the process. So I'm gonna go fix the padding, make sure there's no extra padding or anything, and then I'll fix it and get it done. Might be here. All right, I see the issue. It looks like I have my column nested together. So let me remove this. Let me remove this. Gotta fix all this. All right, so I think I found out the issue that everything was nested in multiple columns. So that caused it to load all messed up. So I'm gonna fix this, make sure this is all center, make sure all these are done. Let's go layout, center, make sure these are middle. Okay, make sure it looks nice. Okay, don't make sure I don't any extra columns, animated headline. We don't need this to be animated. Nope, we can turn this off. We can just actually delete. We can move this like that. Color, headlines. See the motion, check. None. Okay. Let's see now. Publish. Let's go over here, see how it looks. Okay, I want to center this. So center this right here. Make sure. Okay. Okay, so that looks good now. A lot better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try again. Let's see. Run it one more time. As you can see now, we're all 100% for this. It looks like my camera died. So I'm going to restart the video again. But look now, so after optimizing and just fixing the large content paint and changing the background, fixing all that, everything looks to be going smooth. Even though this is 74, I'm fine with that. And this is 95. I'm good with this. And this is how you pretty much increase your guys' page speed. If you guys have any questions, again, please comment below. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate